Hi, Dad! So, question, ano ang pinakamagandang workout split?
Training split, ang pinakamaganda dyan is push-pull superset. So, kumbaga, example to ng 4 exercises, 3 sets each, 15, 12, 10 reps, lat pull down, incline dumbbell press. Gawa kayo 3 sets nun. Afternoon row, and then flat bench. So, 2 exercise na yun. And then, pangatlo, pull over, and then standing lat pull over. Para yung nakahiga sa chest, yung nakatayo naman sa back. Tapos last, deadlift, tapos plank or hanging ab raises para sa core. So yun ang sample exercise ng back and chest. And then the following day, legs and shoulders. Then the following day, bicep, tricep. Lahat yun may core, may abs. So kayo nang bahala. Hope it helps. Tapos sa mga nagka-complicate sa mga pagkain, kasi importante mag-workout tayo. Tapos mas konti yung kain, mas maraming galaw.
Learn from the best! Carlos